System integrator today need to manage a variety of devices. So they are not able a lot of time to select the device. So they need to connect with, typically if you take a system integrator managing a house, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, they were only managing computers, PC for an enterprise. Now they need to manage a light bulb because all the airports are connected. They need to manage elevators, they need to manage a door. There is plenty of devices that they must manage. And this is very, very complex because they need to filter which device it's a light bulb, which device it's a door, what are the devices that are secure, or what are the devices that must be protected. So in this field, the Global Platform provides a lot of tools to help them to understand the type of device, the type of security, the type of protection they need to provide. So Global Platform, it's really at the core of the device because we are providing the root of trust services of each and every device. This provides a root of trust to create specific services. So of course, we are providing a lot of services for the application, for the device itself. And potentially, the system integrator may want to develop and deploy specific services for the management of the object. This is typically a point which is very important for the system integrator. The second, most of the system integrator would like to filter what are the good product versus the bad product. Here we are providing a lot of security and certification solutions that allows the system integrator to really implement and filter based on certificate or even creating schemes, what are the objects that they want to manage. And third, everything related to the onboarding of the device, to the management, to the patch of the device, it's also very important for the system integrator to be able to maintain all these connected objects. And thanks to the IoTopia, we are working today with device manufacturer and system integrator to select the best solution to help the management of those devices into the network. So in 2022, they may start by the IoTopia, which is really how to manage objects. This is very important, and managing objects is not just connected. It starts by the onboarding, but of course by the management, and of course by the maintenance. Something which is very, very important and that very few device manufacturers are thinking today, it's how to decommission the object. Most of the objects will have some personal data, and today there is a lot of regulation related to personal data. System integrator must verify that when you are decommissioning the object, all the potential personal data are deleted. So IoTopia is definitely a first access that we hope that is very open, and it will be, I would say, the first step for joining the organization. But also there is other initiatives such as CESIP to manage the IoT device certification that will be maybe important. What are the requirements they want to ask to their device connected to their systems? And of course, if they want to go more in detail about the device architecture, we have also some initiatives such as the device trust architecture that allows them to verify how the device has been created. So different layers from the management to the device architecture that they will be very interested to participate. It's important they are involved because they are now connecting objects from different markets. This is very simple, again, with my example at the beginning. Connected computer, you have 2 main OSs or 3 main OSs, so more or less you have 3 types of objects to manage. But we are talking about light bulb, door, elevator, fridge, whatever connected object, then you are talking about a variety of objects that doesn't have the same maturity. And you are able to discuss with 1 or 2 device manufacturers, but it's very, very difficult to discuss to all the light bulb manufacturers. So due to the variety of device manufacturers, it's important to rely on standards and to help this standard to be deployed by putting that as a requirement. So the participation of system integrator in global platform, first of all, you have access to a lot of vertical, lot of geographics to understand what are the trends, but also you are able to provide input so global platform continue to make the evolution of the technology so the device are more secure, more manageable, which is a key element for the system integrators.